Here we divide 151 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 7 means 14. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 1. So it became 11. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put decimal so that we take 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 151 divided by 2 we got 75.5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.